This short video will show you how to cut and paste the data in the airline data file into StatCrunch so that you can do your analyses, how to save the data file, and then also how to how to copy the output that you create into a Word file to write your article for your travel magazine. So the first thing I want to do is open up, I've saved the Excel file onto my computer, I've opened it up, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to highlight the cells that I want to copy. So I'm going to copy all the airline data at one time. So I've got all the cells highlighted that have data, and I'm going to right click and click on copy. And then I've already opened up the StatCrunch option here, and I'm going to go to the StatCrunch website, and I'm going to click on Open StatCrunch, which will open a blank page for me. I'm going to go up here, and I'm going to go Control V to paste what I copied from the Excel file. So now I've got all the data in here. And then if I go to Data, and I go to Save It, and then I can save it with my airline data, whatever I want to call it, and just say Save. And now it was saved. Now let me show you how to find it when you go back in. So when you go open StatCrunch, you'll go to My Data, and then all the data will be there that you've saved. So this is the one I just saved, and I can click to open it up. Okay, now the second thing I wanted to show you is how to cut and paste things into the Word file. So let's say, first of all, let's make a, a histogram of delays, let's say. Compute. Alright, so I've got a data file here, and if you notice on options, you've got a copy option. And it says right click on the image below to copy it. So I'm going to right click, I'm going to copy the image, and I'm going to go into Word, and I'm going to go over here to paste, and I want to do a paste special, and I want to paste the bitmap. And that will bring in the file very nicely, and then you can go ahead and type and write your report. Now, if you're doing summary statistics, it's a little bit different. Let's go ahead and close this. And then let's say I go do summary stats on the columns, and I do it again on the delays. And I click compute. Now here, it'll tell you when you want to copy this. One thing is to click on it, drag your mouse, or use Control-A to copy all of it. Let me show you this. So if you go on here, you can drag it like that, and then do it with Control-C, which means cut. Go to your Word file. Now when you do it that way, it doesn't hold the formatting very nicely. So the other thing I'm going to suggest that you do as an option, which I like better, is to go in, and if you're on a Microsoft computer, if you look for the snip tool, which is included in Programs under Accessories, which is a great little tool. It's called the snip tool, and it allows you to snip a picture. So I've got it open right now. When it comes up, you just hit New, and then you can go ahead and with your mouse drag across here and just take a snip, and then go ahead and go back over here to your Word file, Control V. Oh, sorry, I stuck it inside the other one. Control V, and it will bring the picture right over very, very nicely. So hopefully this will help you as you're working on your Project 2 for the airline data.